Hey Kitty, can you read me a story, please?
I'm all set to read the story. Are you ready? Hello friends, look at those footprints. Who do you think they belong to?
Ducks.
Yes, these webbed footprints belong to ducks. And today, I'm going to tell you the story, The Ugly Duckling, illustrated by Richard Johnson from Ladybird. This is the mother duck. These are baby ducks. They are called ducklings. When these yellow ducklings grow up, they will also get colorful and waterproof feathers just like their parents. Now, let's start our story. Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. Friends, shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 was not. Yes, it looks so different from the other ducklings. It is not yellow and it is big. You are ugly, said the mother duck. Go away. The ugly duckling met a cow. You are ugly, said the cow. Go away. The ugly duckling met a cat. You are ugly, said the cat. Go away. The ugly duckling met a rabbit. You are ugly, said the rabbit. Go away. The ugly duckling met a boy. You are ugly, said the boy. Go away. The ugly duckling met a girl. You are ugly, said the girl. Go away. The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. The ugly duckling was avoided by everyone just because he was different. Is that fair? What do you think, my friend? One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. Look in the water, said the swans. You are beautiful, said the swans. Come with us. And he did. The end. Sometimes you might find friends who are different from you. But that is not a good reason to keep them away. You should accept the differences and be kind to everyone. Hope you enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. Next time, I will tell you another story about being kind. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another book. Bye!